Want to boost your technical team's skills in industrial automation? Check out our comprehensive courses designed for your team's development. Go to realpars.com/business and fill out the form to get started. In the previous video on automation in the oil and gas industry, we talked about how automation improves safety in the oil and gas industry. This video will discuss the benefits of automated systems and the problems that can come with using them in the oil and gas industry. Automation is playing an increasing role in oil and gas operations, and there are many measurable benefits to employing automated systems, such as enhanced safety, proactive risk management, operational efficiency, and cost savings. By removing workers from dangerous tasks and environments, automation has greatly reduced workplace injuries and fatalities. The American Petroleum Institute found that automated response systems reduced accident response times by up to 60%. Workers can focus on higher-level responsibilities, while robots and automated systems handle the risks. AI-powered systems and sensors can continuously monitor conditions, spotting hazards before they become safety issues. Predictive maintenance, for example, identifies equipment issues before they lead to failures, keeping operations safe and efficient. Safety incidents often mean downtime, which hurts productivity. Automated systems streamline processes and reduce disruptions, helping companies maintain smooth operations. Preventing accidents, downtime, and equipment failures saves companies millions annually. These savings can be reinvested in further automation technologies, creating a cycle of safety and innovation. There are still challenges to providing the safest environment possible on oil platforms, in pipelines, and in the oil field. Implementing automated systems is expensive, requiring a significant upfront investment. However, the long-term savings and safety improvements can often outweigh the initial costs. As with any automated system, digital platforms are vulnerable to hacking. Investment in robust cybersecurity systems is required to protect sensitive data and ensure operational reliability. As automated systems become more complex, skilled operators are required to manage and interpret data. Training programs are critical to equipping workers with the skills needed to operate these advanced systems. Over-reliance on automation can lead to complacency. Human oversight remains critical to ensuring that automated systems function correctly. Operators will continue to play a significant role in detecting and responding to unforeseen scenarios. In the future, AI and machine learning will be used in more ways, enabling systems to predict risks with even greater accuracy. Autonomous vehicles, like driverless trucks, can help to improve transportation safety in remote areas. If you want to learn more about AI in industrial automation, check out our course, MelSoft Vixio, AI-powered visual inspection software for industrial automation. Automation is playing a key role in the transition to renewable energy. Automated systems will help provide safer solutions for offshore wind farms and sustainable fuel production. Collaboration with regulators will be essential to establish safety standards for new technologies, ensuring the sector continues to innovate responsibly. Automation is making a big impact on safety in the oil and gas industry. By minimizing risk, enhancing efficiency, and protecting workers, technology is transforming how companies approach safety in hazardous environments. As companies invest in smarter systems and innovative technologies, they're not just safeguarding their operations, they are safeguarding their people. If you're a plant manager looking to train your team, visit realpars.com/business. Add your contact information, and our team will quickly get in touch to discuss how we can support your team's development. You can find the link in the video description. To improve your skills in a wide range of industrial automation topics, we have several courses on industrial IoT and automation safety. Make sure to check out realpars.com/courses.